First, you gotta sign up to this website. Then just click the button to view ads and collect your earnings. And you can do this over and over again. So as long as you know how to click, you can make money with this strategy. And the reason why anyone can use this is because you will not have to sell anything or promote anything. All you need to do is click on ads and you can get paid. And if you watch this video until the end, you will learn how you can do this. Before we dive into the video, subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be the first to know how to make money online the easiest way. Smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Let's get right into the video. Alright, so this is going to be the first website that we will be using in order to get paid just for clicking on ads. And if you stay here until the end of this video, I will give you a bonus website that will pay you even more per click. So you definitely want to stay tuned to maximize your results. If you really want to learn more about this website, watch the video until the end. The first website is heedu.com. This website works like this. If you are a business owner, an entrepreneur, or you have something to promote, come over here and you will pay Heedu to advertise your product or your website. But we are obviously not here to promote anything. We don't want to promote products. We don't want to do affiliate marketing. We don't have a website. And we don't want to invest money, right? Well, we are here to make money by clicking on ads, and that's why you need to click here where it says earn. Once you click on earn, it's going to show you that this website has been around since June 2012, which means that this is a really legit website because it has been established for over 8 years. Meaning, if this was a scam, they would have obviously disappeared like in 2013, but obviously it's not. I also did a lot of research and I've seen people are just enjoying the amount of money they're making with this website. So you can learn more about it here and they will pay you either via PayPal, Payeer, or Skrill starting from $1. So as soon as you hit $1 in earnings, you can cash out and withdraw your money, which is really good because you don't have to wait around to get like $100 for months until you can withdraw it. And you can literally withdraw your money today because the threshold is only $1. Now scroll all the way to the top of the website and hover your mouse where it says earn. Click on view ads. In this section, you can learn more about the bonus ads they have on the website and how much exactly you will earn per click. And even though this one is paying a pretty high amount of money, the second website which I want to share it with you will pay you even more. But if you combine all the two websites, then just imagine how much money you can make every single day without doing any work at all, just by clicking. The first thing you're going to do is to go back to this page and click join now so you can create an absolutely free account. Create a unique username for your account. Enter your email address and retype it. Then create a unique password for your account and retype the same password. After which, type your first name and last name. Then select your gender and birth date and tick the box right here to agree to the terms of service from this website. Then scroll all the way down to the bottom of the website. Click I'm not a robot and just click continue. Once you log into your brand new account, this is how it's gonna look like. This is the dashboard where you can track your earnings. You can see for my account, it currently says $0 because obviously it's a brand new account. I just created it. Now, what you will need to do is to go back to earnings right here and click on view ads so you can start making money by clicking on those ads. And now you can serve the web. Click on ads and make money from that. By doing this, you can then track your earnings. You can go back right here and you can do this again and again. So this is readyheedu.com. Just sign up for absolutely free. Start clicking on ads and start making money. So that was the first website which you can use in order to get paid just for clicking on ads. If you're learning a lot on this video, smash the like button and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Now, the second website which will pay you a lot more money, which is also absolutely free, works in many different countries, and a lot more popular is gptplanet.com. And if so many people are using this website to make money online, then it's obviously a good website to make money. And as you can see, they have paid out over $1 million to their members. So they are definitely paying a lot more than the previous one, but both are really good. You can see that you can earn up to 1 cent per click. So each click is 1 cent from this website, and $1 is the minimum payout. So you can cash out literally today because you don't have to wait around to get hundreds of dollars. Payments are via Skrill, PayTeller, Air18, Payer, and Bitcoin. Unfortunately, they don't accept PayPal for now, but maybe they will introduce it in the future. Good thing you can still choose many different payment options from the website. As you can see, you can join GPT Planet for absolutely free. You can start earning money and cash out as soon as you have $1. And if you click on view ads right here, you're going to see many different ads that are going to pay just for clicking on them. And depending on the country you're coming from, you will either have less ads to click per day or more ads to click on. But no matter what, they will refresh every single day. And each day, you will be able to earn some money from this website. Now, what I want you to do is to come over to gptplanet.com. First of all, you will need to register. So click on the orange button that says register now. After which, enter your full name right here. Then create a unique username for your account so you can do anything you like. Create a unique password for your account and enter your birth date and email address. Confirm your email address and your passwords by retyping the same password. From here, enter your payment info however you want to get paid. You will have to answer it right here. If you want to get paid through Bitcoin, you will have to enter your Bitcoin wallet right here. After that, enter the email image verification. So whatever it says for you, that's obviously going to be different for me. Then just agree to their terms and services and their rules. You have to tick this box right here and read the rules by clicking on this link right here. And if you agree, just click on I agree and then click register. And once you log in into your account, this is the dashboard. And this is how it's gonna look like. Here you'll be able to track your earnings. You can see for me, it says $0 because it's a new account that I have just created right now. And that's exactly how it's gonna look like for you as well. Once you start viewing and clicking on ads, this will change and you'll start seeing your money where it says balance. And once you have enough money, at least $1, you can click on withdraw and they will send you cash directly. You can then spend that money on whatever you want to. It's as simple as that. And once you log into your account, just go to view ads and start clicking on ads. If you want to track your earnings, go to the account and you can track your earnings right here. Once again, as soon as you have $1, just click withdraw and you can get your money and enjoy your earnings. I mean, it's obviously not going to be thousands of dollars, maybe just a couple of bucks, but still, you can use that to buy some important things for yourself. I hope you did get some value out of this video. And if you did, don't forget to drop a like to it, leave a thumbs up, and if you haven't yet, be sure to subscribe to this channel with notifications on so you won't miss out any of the new contents. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in some of the next videos.